Well, hello YouTube. Today's question is how to edit a YouTube video without losing the link or stats. For example, you have already uploaded a video and now you want to add voice or voiceover, or even if you have uploaded it with voiceover and now you want to make changes, maybe due to a copyrights claim, or you have figured out that there is something wrong with your voice. It's low, or there is there is any kind of issue. Hello YouTube. Well, today's question is how to edit your own voiceover or your commentary. How to edit your own voice or commentary. Well, hi there. Well, hello YouTube. Today's question is how to edit voiceover after you have uploaded or published video on YouTube, or if there is a need to add voiceover on a video that you uploaded without voice and now you want to add voice. Hi YouTube. Well there, hi YouTube. Today's question is how to edit your voiceover on a published uploaded video on a YouTube. I explored it and figured that I was unable to add my own voiceover on a published video, and I was only given the option to add music from the library, and it's really very annoying. I was trying to make videos first and then add commentary or voiceover later, watching the video. For example, when I'm I'm creating video on a computer, there are other users sitting with me, so I'm not comfortable recording the voice then, or due to noise also. So the need is that I want to record the voice in a more sophisticated environment when I'm alone, whenever I get the time. And unfortunately, I'm disappointed that YouTube has not provided this option for creators. And I was wondering the reason behind it. Maybe, users or creators can manipulate easily once the copyright claim has triggered. YouTube might want to, keep the voice intact.